back to my channel, and if you are new here then hello and welcome. My name is Alexis and I post 2 videos a week on a Tuesday and a Thursday at 7 AM. So if you love recipe videos like this one and you want to see more, then please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And now I'm going to share with you how to make my delicious masala burgers. As I just mentioned, today I want to share with you how to make my delicious masala burgers. Now this recipe is really easy to do, and I love a curry, but I also love a burger as well. And as summer is here, I thought I would combine the two and I would make a masala burger. I've made these before for my family and they really enjoyed them, and so did I. And we're going to be having them this evening for our dinner. You can cook these on the barbecue, but this evening we're going to be cooking them in the oven just because it's a little bit easier than wheeling out the barbecue. So I'm going to be making these for our dinner, as I said, and of course while I was making them I thought I'd share the recipe with you. So here is how to make my delicious masala burgers. In this bowl here I have about 500 grams of minced beef, or ground beef if you live in America, and to that I'm going to add 1 onion, peeled, sliced and diced, very small pieces as well, and then I have 1 courgette that I've peeled and grated, and I have 1 carrot that I've peeled and grated as well. And the reason I put these in is so that my husband and son have vegetables in their diet. It's mummy's sneaky way of getting vegetables into them. So I'm going to put all of these into the bowl with the ground minced beef, and I'm also going to add a little bit of salt to that as well. Salt and pepper to your taste. If you don't like too much, then you don't have to add it. And then I'm also going to add some pepper as well. I've got a little bit of pepper here. We don't like too much pepper, but we don't mind a little bit in this house. And then I'm going to add to that a teaspoon of dried oregano as well, or oregano if you live in America. And then I'm also going to add about 2 teaspoons of garam masala as well. And this is where the masala taste will come in. So you can make your own spices if you want to. It's quite easy to make garam masala, but I found this jar in Tesco's, and it's just a simple way of having masala on hand basically. And then I'm also going to add to that 4 big tablespoons of ground flaxseed as well. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And then I'm also going to add to that a couple of tablespoons of tomato puree as well. So 1 and 2, and that does that bowl as well. And then I've got an egg here that I'm also going to add in as well. So I'm just going to crack the egg on the side and put it in. And now what I'm going to do is I'm off to dampen my hands so that I can mix all of these ingredients together. So I've dampened my hands, and now I'm going to mix everything together in the bowl. So I'm just going to scrunch up all of the ingredients and make sure everything is well mixed in. So everything is well mixed together. So I'm just going to continue to scrunch these ingredients together now. Everything is well mixed together. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my mixture into burgers. So I'm going to cut the mixture in half, and then I'm going to quarter it like that, and then I'm going to take a big piece of it and I'm going to flatten that in my hands like so, and then I'm going to put that onto my plate, and I'm going to put a dimple in the middle of that burger, and that will help to stop the burger from rising too much in the oven. So I'll just show you again. So I've taken a big piece and I've put it into my hands, and I'm just flattening it like so, and then I'm going to put it on the plate, and I'm going to put a dimple in the middle to stop it from rising, and I'm going to continue until I've used up all of the mixture now. All of the the mixture has been made into burgers now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these into the fridge for a good couple of hours. So when they go in the baking tray, I'm going to make sure the baking tray is nice and hot, and when they go in, it will help to cook them. It will make the fat come out in them, and that will make them really juicy. So yes, as I said, I'm off to put these into the fridge now. It's almost dinner time in our house, so I'm going to turn the oven on to 200 degrees. I've transferred the burgers to a hot baking tray, so when I preheated the oven, I put this baking tray in with them. My chips are already in the oven, so I'm going to put these in for about 25 to 30 minutes, and then that will be dinner done. My chips are a lovely golden brown colour, and the juices have run clear from the burgers, so that means they're cooked. So I'm going to serve up and we're going to have our dinner now. That's how you make my delicious masala burgers, and that recipe I will link in the description box below for you. As I mentioned earlier, I'm going to be having this for my dinner this evening, and it smells so good, I can't wait. So for now, that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and please feel free to leave any comments below. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you all soon. Bye.